Assalamu alaikum guys, hope all of you are doing well. Last Sunday we have discussed a few things about the pronunciation and about the accent and some basic information about that. But next Sunday there are a lot more to learn and it will be a fun class as well. So I want all of you to get prepared and get ready for the next class, and there is one little activity for you as well. It is that last Sunday we have discussed one rule about the pronunciation. It was after R in a word, after R, if there is any consonant letter, the sound of the R will be twisted. Okay? So I want you to repeat that sentence that we have discussed in the class. What was that? The first word that you learned is the one you heard the most. Okay? I want all of you to prepare this sentence at least 20 to 30 times and try to copy my pronunciation. Let's say it again. The first word that you learn is the one you heard the most. Okay?